1 of 1. Wow. Derek Jeter, 1 of 1 auto. Dual logo man, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell. Oh, that's filthy. Here we go, guys. Couple personals. The only 2 boxes of bounty hunters we got. So, Rob Spear and Stevie Dubs. Boom. And boom. Here, I'll put Stevie, I'll put you up. So I have my space here for Rob. All right, personal each. I'm excited for this. It's time to go into battle mode amongst friends. Watch out, Courtney. They're coming for you. Here we go. Star Wars Bounty Hunters. If Kip was here, he'd be freaking out right now. Rob, let's hit something crazy. And then Stevie right behind that will hit something crazy too. All right, that looks like a blue. Let's see if the blues aren't numbered. Okay. It's by the background, but dang, this looks like a gold. Also not numbered. And autograph per box. Oh, here. Speaking of autographs. Oh, that's so sick. Low gray. Autograph. Who's that? Mike Edmonds. Mike Edmonds autograph. Then a green. Keep looking at the backs on the colors. I wonder if they did any foil. There's blue not numbered on the blues. A reddish one. Green. Django Fett. Oh man, this one's shredded. Shred it. There it goes. Blue. Blue. That's Boba Fett blue. There's a green. See the, yep, there you go. Number to 150. Fennec Shand, the 150. So it looks like the ones on the back with the border, that's not numbered, but the background, sort of like was it gold? No, not gold standard. The other one, the baseball one, where the background is where the numbering's at. Not thinking of. It has a gold frame in every single pack or box. That one's different because it doesn't even have enough room for it. Boba Fett. And hit a few big hitties. Lego. That's going to be a brick of a... oh, here's a red. A 50. Red to 50 Serapis. I don't know the animated ones because I don't know if I've watched any... I think I've seen any animated Star Wars. Because Yoda's real. McDog did. He snuck in on F1 yesterday. Clean house on the cheap. What a red and a green so far, plus an auto. Here's a purple. The 99 of Dengar. I love some of the old school, the scenes they're using. They didn't try to clean them up. I like it. You're like, oh, I know that's from an older movie. Who is that? Nope. Blue. here's something. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Bounty card of Han Solo. Bounty Han Solo to 199. Sweet. That's dope. That's dope, Rob. Yick. Here's another red. Bausch to 75. But it's going to cost you. By the way, I haven't finished building out Group Break 8000 stuff for Monday, but I can tell we will have Formula One. We'll have Formula One, soccer, wrestling, very normal breaks for those. So essentially, like I said, the 8000 stuff, we want that to just be bonus, bonus, bonus. Boba Fett to 99. Very nice. That was about the Han card, not Alan. What a scoundrel. All right, Rob. Beautiful. Getting Han Solo. I like that Han Solo. And then Stevie Dubs. Stevie Dubs. Alan is a scoundrel. All right, Stevie Dubs, come on, baby. Blue Han Solo right out of the gate. Let's get it. A red. Dang. Han Solo red. Stevie Dubs to 50. Nice. There's a purple Han Solo to 99. What is going on here? Han. No complaints. Let's make that the auto, too. It's a Jekyll and Hyde complex. Oh, see, that's not a purple, but this is a purple. We got our first non-Han Solo. Castus, purple to 75. Oh, sick. 101 sketch. Nice. I don't know who the artist is. That's their signature on the back. 1 of 1 sketch. Nice. Stevie Dubs. Let's go. Wonder, does that count as the auto? Since it's autoed? I don't know. Never really thought about it. Number to 75, Space Slug. Good old Space Slug. I'm not sure, like, because, you know, it's the artist auto 101. I don't know. We're going to find out here. Oh, we got an auto still. Nice. Oh, shoot. To 75. That's pretty cool. Princess Leia Organa. So, obviously, it's from the animated. That's pretty cool, though. Julie Dolan. 6 of 75. Princess Leia autograph. Like, obviously, Carrie Fisher. Not going to get an auto there, but, well, I guess in theory, could have stickers left, but. Fun to hit one of the big characters. Frog Lady. So weird. Number to 150. Yep, loves Frog Lady. Couple of solid boxes. And last pack, Stevie Dubs. There you have it, Rob, Stevie Dubs. Bounty Hunters.